Today, FC26 stream. Arian. Is on 1%. You are a club member, FC club member. Okay. What do I do with this information? Hey, the controller I'm in. Na ke batla gore o kopane le nna. I think o phakise di copy tsa FC26. Hey man, that's if Hoko says we should do another round. As a thank you for playing FC Sport FC 2 years in a row and FC before November the 1st. You unlock club member status. Welcome to the club member. As a member, you watch that now, including the exclusive kit and ultimate team designs for FC Sport members. Check out the inventory for clubs, players, and manager to find out what else you have collected. Oh, that's dope. I don't know how to game again. Oh, extra advance. Hey, I wanna play with someone from the stream. How did I remove this chat? Yeah, I'll go for one game. It's cool. Arwell. Tapelo. How do I remove comments in a man? I forgot. Today is some FC dog. I'm just see how pesa khodosa o sala rwa bua botsa ma 2 weeks. So I wanna play with someone from the chat. I'm playing call today. Today is the FC stream. We're only doing FC today. No detox. Chief. Our detox. Sala game ya belot some goal no ro abua wait. 2 weeks gone. Phone yami yatima. Let me look for my charger. Anyone from the chat who wants to challenge me, let's go. Chief. Yo guys, we are live also on YouTube and Twitch at the same time, and TikTok. So how they interest Leon. Take a look on Facebook or on reply. I'll check it out. Get a job on my later. I'm super tired. Also, like I said, we're live on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Especially for the FC26 streams. I advise you go Twitch or TikTok because you'll have like a full view of the pitch. So guys, I wanna play with someone from the stream. I got challenge from the stream. None of you guys play FC. BK Ola, what's up? Harina. Buy us FC. We don't have PSV, most of us. Yo, thank you for the roses, my guy. Ravi. Yeah. Take away the game. Let me just go. Well, in a game. I don't think I have 25 anymore. I don't think I still have it. I don't think I have access to it, bro. Like seriously, game share, please. Hey man, I'm playing on PC. I'm not playing on the. I'm playing on PC. Guys, I'm playing on PC. I think. How did it feel meeting Drogba? Bruh, it was the most exciting thing ever, bruh. It was nice, I don't wanna lie. And the messed up part is. The messed up part is he was there all the time. And I was waiting just to take a picture with him. And I had to quickly rush somewhere. All this time I was waiting for that one opportunity to have that picture. But I had to leave like just for a few minutes. When I left and when I came back, I only found out like he took pictures with. Hey, let's play. Yeah, let's play. I only found out he took pictures with the people I was with. My guy, it was painful, bro. Guys, we're live on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube all at the same time. Okay. All at the same time. So especially for my FC26 streams, I would encourage you to go watch that side because you can see the full pitch. You can see the full pitch, my guy. I'm talking about the club. Final FC26 stream has been waiting. Alright, cool, no problem. No, I looked at my later. That's why today I'm streaming FC26. You guys been saying. Final FC26, Ghana my pad is drifting. Can I take it to Hoko and then they give me a new one? Plus cash on it. Yeah. So you need 650 and bring your stick drift control and they'll give you a new one. Yeah, the special is still on. Chief, you're offline. Guys, from the chat, if you know that you have FC26, let me know. What clubs it are. Can I team it? Push it, team it down. Let me know. Let me know if the song is balanced. You can hear me and the song. Play a few matches, I'll join. I wanna watch you play someone else. Who? Yo, who can I play with on the chat? Okay, cool. On the chat, who? Kanti really kai mo Twitch. The thing is, a lot of people Bamo Twitch, you need good internet for you to watch Twitch. So virtually you are not a lot. Yo, Tabs, what's up? So we can get to challenge each other often. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm asking the chat. Take some guy computer. I need someone to challenge from the chat, please. I think it's a... like a bit. Okay, what team should I face? Suggest the team. Barcelona. Okay, cool. Menu. Arsenal. You guys are saying City. All of you guys are saying like a different Real Madrid. I need people to say, okay, Man City twice. No, Barcelona. Man City 2 Barcelonas. PSG is new. PSG 2, PSG 3. Okay, PSG it is. PSG can take okay. Is it France? PSG guy. Is it Italy? Hey la, PSG guy. Spain, I get it. France, yeah, it's France. France, okay. Alright, cool. Do I need to fix this team? Like honestly. Do I need to fix this? At least you reply. Or I am or at least I reply. What people don't reply. What level of difficulty are you playing? I'll check from here. Difficulty, is it what? Game setting? Yeah, some streamers don't reply. You are the most genuine one. Thank you, man. Means a lot. What difficulty should I put? What difficulty should I put? What's up? I see you on Twitch. France. I see you, my guy. What's up? Tanai. Use legendary. Ah. Wait. Game difficulty guy. Let me fix. I thought I should use legendary. Okay, legendary. Legendary again. Should I keep the music or I should turn it off? Yeah, yo, Tebo. After this game, let me just play one just to warm up. Music go sharp. Okay, let me play one game to warm up, and then from there I can challenge people from the chat. Obo Isa Siletano go top. Dog, Botswana, he's all over the thing, dog. Let's start the match. Ah, okay, talent. I'm just seeing that now. Play fast. Yeah, now I'm playing. Music go sharp. Alright, cool.
Well, what a game we have in store for
guys,
you
we're also live on YouTube. So if you want to watch the full pitch, play, land YouTube as well.
One of the great things about football is that no one knows for sure what's going to happen. Let's see what unfolds here tonight. I'm Derek Ray, and I'm joined for expert analysis by Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable cause. How do you see the match going, Stuart?
The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface, and a vibrant has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Musa.
And this is how the hosts will begin the game today.
And the number 10 doesn't recover. The holding midfield play could be for a really difficult game today.
Now, options are plenty.
I'm setting, you are objective, don't score in the group, only outside. Oh! Yeah, lega. Is it still lagging? Let me know if it's still lagging. Let me go subscribe, yeah, please. YouTube, Rogonoko. Best from YouTube. Guys, yo! Ah! That's an offside. Ah, Nekibala is not lagging. Nekibala, the comment.
Back underway.
Nah, it's fine now. Right, cool.
1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next.
Ah, it's one. Just someone. Lopez get legendary. Yo.
Oh, that's brilliant play.
Hey.
Oh!
You are lagging, bro. Guys. Some say I'm lagging, some say I'm not lagging. What's happening? Am I lagging?
It's a wonderful pass from Dembele, and when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a
made you comment. It's a cards. Let's go.
Finish, which gives the keeper
you are not. Is that network? Okay, cool.
And the ball is moving again.
Guys, check your network.
How it stands.
But I'm not lagging.
Ibrahimovic.
Okay. Let's try. At least get one goal.
Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance.
Yo.
Well, a really good run. A fine reading of the situation.
Sabolo. Chad, don't worry, I'll warm up, don't worry.
Ibrahimovic.
What the bro? You are not a regular FC player. The difficulty chosen is going to be hard. Yeah, guys, I don't know why you chose me. You wanted me to use legendary beta. I don't know.
Now in a more than decent position.
Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word.
Oh, sensational save.
Well, what a piece of goalkeeping that was. He's moved so quickly to make that save. Absolutely brilliant.
YouTube. Yo, guys, come to YouTube. Yes, we want to test you in the selection process. Guys, come watch on YouTube. The stream is nice on YouTube. See the whole pitch. You can literally see his name and stuff.
options in the centre. Drifting in off the flank. Tremendous block. Fabian. And once more the defence stands firm.
What a save from Zlatan. Yeah, wow, better come see man. When defending, hold R2 because it makes you defend steady to put a foot in a, to cover the space. Don't take a defend quickly, bro. We can't select you. Relax.
Well, opting for the short corner. Now what can they do from here?
What's it
going to be? Oh,
it works. Thank you. It works.
Yeah, top class defending. That was a threatening attack.
Thoughtful play.
Hela.
Can they do it?
Hela. Hela. Check your game settings. It's clear go YouTube. Yo, bro, please. Game share my guy. My leg tag legendary is too hard for me. What's up with my game settings? Game settings. Where should I check? Tapelo. Where? Klamana well on YouTube and my leg tag. YouTube is lit as well. YouTube and Twitch if you want to see the whole stream. You are playing PC, OG, cool. Yeah, I'm playing on PC, that's the thing. Go to gameplay. Okay, wait, let's see. Maybe this guy has gone to something. Gameplay. Yeah, I'm on gameplay. Hey, Motsadi, hola. Yeah, it's gonna be possible if it was on PS5. Yeah, change preset. Change it to what? Assisted. The two here. Which one should I choose? Custom. That's all. Is it fine now? You guys are confusing me. Get to custom. Let's start. Content game sharing is still a thing. Yeah, it's still a thing. Tabs. Yeah, what classy? What classy guy, man? Pina yo BK, thank you, my guy. Thing up power up hella. That thing power what? Press receiver lock. Press receiver lock. What I should do to what? Pass. Power up. Singer power up. Okay, cool. What does this do? The power receiver is locked as soon as the press button is selected or the power bar reaches full power. This is the easier possible. Oh. So we are fine. We can start again. Let's start the game. Let's not keep people waiting. It's sharp. Yeah, you start. Okay, cool. Let's start. Let's not keep people waiting for long. The ball.
Plenty of support here.
Assist.
Oh, useful ball. He's blocked it.
Hey, nice chocolate. I'm waiting for him to reply to see if he's gonna play with me online.
Dembele tasked with taking the corner.
Legendary uthata hlabana.
Can he convert? Determined defending. And not quite directing it on target.
Yeah, not far away, but the keeper would have saved.
Yo guys, we're also live on TikTok. That's also live on Twitch and YouTube.
Dominance in this game.
Go watch the full screen over there. Go give the stream love. I can see all the comments all at the same time. I see all the comments.
Out of play, PSG throw in forthcoming.
Yo, Zambolo Tabana.
Vitor Ferreira.
Malitaga.
Could be threatening.
Batan Coel. Tsena Zlatan. Tsena. Munele.
Defensive play to be applauded.
No way through there.
And into the last 20 minutes. Will it happen for them?
Emal.
Well, I always fancied him to save that one. He's really good.
Please understand, this is legendary, and I don't play FC on a regular.
Fired over by Ousmane Dembele. Well, maybe a good position from which to counter. Effective challenge.
Caught later. I'm not sure. I think today I just want to play FC because people, but I'm not giving FC love.
And there it is! 3 goals in front now. An immense performance.
It's not me. The chat said I should put legendary, but these guys are cooking me, bruh.
This is looking rather comfortable for them. 3-0.
At least I need to score one at least. Just one. I just need to at least just go one. Yo, assist.
And PSG showing good width here. And look at this. Has to be. And it goes. Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Lungo are legendary ki difficulty tona. No chat never dog. No chat set me up. Chat said I should put legendary. This is a setup. It's a setup.
And it made for a simple finish in the end.
It's a flipping setup, my guy. This is the
the
first
keeper.
attempt to shoot to the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper ila pile.
Throw-ins given.
Hey la. Umpola ka ke reng chief ka re ka muruane mon.
And quick thinking defensively.
Yo, I want to play with someone from the chat. I can't play with some kind of computer and legendary. Yo, chat. Melissa, what's up? Start playing it once a week. Malaita, it's not easy. I need to play with someone from the chat. It's not easy. Yo, I need to play with someone, bruh. I'm good and you are. I'm good also. Yo, chat, I need to play with someone, bruh. I got some le computer. Well, le la one le sa go tshega. Le sa go tshega, chief. My trial expired, bro. That's why I can't play. Guys, I don't think I have FC25. I think in seats. Hey man, I don't think my FC25 works. I don't have FC25 as well. Oh, I go well ahead. Unless we will man sign that some get clubs. I'm get some legendary. Let me put something else. Listen, what difficulty should I put? Now I wanna play FC though. Play online. Where? If I wanna play online with people, where should I go? World class. Let's see. World class guy. No. And I'm tripping. Seasons. Okay. Oh, play a match. That's the difficulty. Professional or world class? Okay, cool. I'll play professional or world class. Play match. Abam para Real Madrid. Oh, globe better team is yang ga lose Real Madrid. Anga lose Real Madrid. Bam peke. I'm buying FC26 month and I wanna move away from FC26. Guys, let's try and move with the times. Professional is too easy. World class is perfect. You can choose your own team. Okay.
It's another football day to relish, and if the action matches the anticipation that's been building, we're in for a cracker. Settle in and get set to find out just who wants this.
So what, I'm playing with someone online.
Hello from one of the world's most iconic stadiums, the Santiago Bernabeu.
So the person is a person as a computer.
View provided by Stuart Robson.
Okay.
And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining.
I feel like a person is better though. Computer.
Well, it doesn't matter how good your players are or what formation they're playing in, you have to earn the right to play. And I'm sure that would have been reiterated by both managers in the dressing room. It promises to be a really good game here.
Well, this is a bit of a scramble.
Oh, crap.
Oh, good vision. Cracking effort, cracking start.
Let me check if I still remember how to play and challenge you.
From the corner.
When I go beat. I also remember Ryan.
Real Madrid regaining possession. Vinicius Junior. Mbappe.
Nice! Neka kumhula kona hali. Neka kumhula.
Erdegaard. Arsenal with acres of space to attack.
Tisabolo naka, tisabolo.
And it's comfortably gathered.
Yo, what's up? Letty, inside.
Kylian Mbappe is the sort of player that always has you on the very edge of your seat.
Mbappe. Mutu kyo tlawa na dukwa babana.
This could be a goal. The opening goal.
Are you streaming on YouTube now? Yes, right now. Easy this one. Easy. They show ke batho na bana. Ow. Wow. Let's go. Isa kwano bolo naka you. Munele. Munele. This is a naka.
They might be in. Now, this has to be. Oh, they've scored again. The game had only just restarted after the last one.
Come on, don't play with me, man. Don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, bro. Kita pergi bangkanya. Hai, boleh ke bangkanya stream wow gua. How swabi. Tu kan orang patre ke. Guys, I get my sound and the game sound and the music is all balanced. You can hear me.
Played in now. And that is not the best effort.
Well, it's good vision, but not the skill to match, I'm afraid.
Ari, Munele.
Mbappe. Real moving the ball forward. What can they do from here?
We just like
and the timing of the slide tackle was perfect.
Well, I have to say it was risky.
Trying to force a mistake. What a chance here.
It's in
Could be now. Well, it's one of the golden rules of goalkeeping. If you can't hold it, make sure you get it properly away.
But the challenge is balanced. Cool. But the challenge, the more you win, the more it's going to be difficult. So win it, so that's yo. Nice goalie.
Oh, excellent save, superb reflexes.
Man, give me someone more difficult, man.
Oh, that's really well cut out.
My confidence is up there. Tisakwanu, awito chameka. Munele.
Under pressure, the keeper's done well.
Bata boteni.
What a good ball that could be in.
Kanagor. Tisakwanu.
And they've scored.
Good legal
And
luck.
all the noise is coming from the away end.
Good legal luck. You said goal is a hunting. Number 4.
3 goals to 1 then as we get started again.
All like you, but you go panele name.
Bellingham.
Munele. Mbappe. Mbappe. Easy this one.
It's a 3-goal lead and the win almost guaranteed.
I tell you one, I had about 10 years old. Hard to Madrid. Guys, we are live on Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube as well. Go give me love on other platforms. We'll come over on a full screen, especially YouTube and Twitch. You can go watch the full screen. So go watch that side as well.
Now the chance for them to pull forward.
Someone is too easy right now.
It's become a question of just how many they'll get.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head. Smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
Ball pass.
That's a good ball.
Too predictable. Too predictable.
That looked really dangerous.
Letty, thank you, this thing are knock. You, man. You, we just see the Sabra. We trouble. I want to Iran. We trouble.
That could have proved tricky, but it's safe now.
Why? Wow, Bonari kind of win.
Rice.
Tisakwanu.
Vinicius Junior.
Wakaku!
There's the hat-trick. He'll be taking the match ball home.
Chat they are geared 10. Let me do 10 for the chat. Chat they are 10. Ana wakon toram tago busuru. Chat they are 10.
On to Bukayo Saka.
Chat they are giving bit 10. Can't we run them? Chat they are giving bit 10.
Mbappe. Really snuffed out the danger there.
There's a chance for them to
Galaxy.
go now.
Cross, predictable.
It's a terrific cap, and this could be. Something. We say you never know sometimes, but I think we do.
Can stress is 4 goals. Look on YouTube, can stress 4 goals.
Danny Carvajal.
Can stress.
Chouameni.
Munele,
Bellingham.
boa. Enough.
Switched on and ready to intercept there.
Tisakwanu. Tinggal batla orangnya Tisakwanu. Refu, habaja phalichi man.
Advantage played. Real chance.
Isakwano.
That is how to stop a goal.
Akwan tripan na. 10 padi.
There's the whistle, and that will do it for the first half here in Madrid.
First half ananga quit. Nanda ko no quita. Ako no quita. Galaxy, palesa diseo. But you can't quit. Guys, like I said, we're live on Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube all at the same time. If you want to see the full pitch, go to Twitch, go to my Twitch at Gaming with remmogovisuals. On YouTube, you can go to remmogovisuals and go watch the full pitch stream over there. Me try to game, bro. Clubs, maybe after this game. Into stress mo rin. Legendary team pizza 4-0 halin siya. Kinsa stress mo rin. King. Kinsa stress mo rin.
Off we go again then.
Nakakwita logo pesa 10. Bila with a PC. Imagine with the whole PC, gaming PC. Ubo tlapa muna. He's using a PC. Imagine.
Yuri and Timber.
Bejo abukana. You jora abo taba heta isakwa.
Zubimendi. Good ball, decent looking attack this. And it's on here. Fearless block.
Bon, gamo khasa bon. Waka.
Aurelian Chouameni.
Waka. 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 Tumitima bo level lang. Waka.
Setting something now.
Waka. Rimutima ball, carpet football. Waka. Waka. Waka.
Bellingham.
Waka, man. Come on.
Brilliant.
Come on.
Spotted the chance to lift it over the keeper and did it perfectly.
Come on. Get Munta dust. Ubana dust. Ubana dust. Mutaga. Ubana dust. Ubana dust.
Setting up the chance. On to Odegaard.
Tisakwano nak, tisakwano. Tisakwano awituira ka bolo yu. Tisakwano na rokbon chorire. Pass. Buaku. Pass. Pass. Buaku.
Vinicius Junior.
Pass.
Could take things forward.
Kenyan, brake. Eish. Arsenal was found shaking in the corner. Manele kiwa, manele.
That's a good ball.
Waka you. You. Hey, what happened to the sound? Music wheel. Yeah. Tabolo. Yee, la wena. Godoi. Yee. You are not currently playing the game. If you don't resume before the countdown expires, you'll forfeit the match. What do you mean I'm not playing the game?
And back and forth resumes then. And there's no telling what happens from here.
What a team.
Intercepted with ease.
What a 10 Barababu.
Antonio
Danny
Carvajal.
Yeah.
Rodrigo. Aurelian Chouameni.
Yo, too much touches in Naka.
Cleverly won.
Disakwan. Munele.
Bellingham.
Bellingham Rawan, Jisawan and Naka. Tabulu.
He's just cleared the danger for now.
Closed it down well.
Woo!
Terrific.
Refu.
Well, he wouldn't let him get away that easily. Breaking at pace.
I don't know what happened. I'll fix it.
Opportunity here.
I have no confidence.
To keep it out. What a stop. that is.
Ngalo confidence. What a 10. Hatar gora 8. Bana orange kill. Orange is on the thingy. That's dope. Orange FC.
It's put into the middle. And no scraps for the attackers to feed off. Hung on to the ball well.
Monele.
We've got 20 to go in this one.
20 munzo gora 10. Chat. Kanayang.
Victor Gayokares.
Busa.
And it will now be a corner.
It's fine now. Okay, cool.
Arsenal making a change here.
Cross a terra. Kana o jana ko cross a chief. Sarawaji wa crosser. Mutho a modimo cross a terra le sa o jana ko. Refu.
It's played in now.
Ara go mo gora ngibile
Nervy
6.
clearance, still pressure. Vinicius Junior. That's really well cut out. Saka. Onto Odegaard.
They got into my feelings attack. That number goal.
Oh yes, what a goal! Speed of thought, followed by a magnificently executed chip with the goalkeeper.
I hope I win the 1 million competition for Orange. Oh, we're joining it.
Well, as you can see, that's a wonderful finish. He just sees the keeper off his line and lifts it over him. That was a great bit of skill.
Lord Narjanao. Lord Narjanao. Chibana Orange game FC 26.
Has to keep it here. And is the
Totana girala di sponsor.
on the turn here. Two lightning strikes.
Girala di sponsor because I want to show them. I don't think they know FC Temo. I don't think they know Orange Temo FC. So I was only doing that to show them.
Vinicius Junior.
We're going to cost deal, but we'll get back.
A chance to get something going here. But not the end result they wanted from an encouraging position.
Yo. Por costile. But never want to sponsor. Nothing too much.
Pass.
Arbue.
There surely aren't any now.
Nikita di sponsor Malikta. Argorenteno. Argorente.
So we're back underway after a goal that has almost certainly put this one to bed.
Bellingham atem bapuwira niya nun. Tisakwano.
Good job he made the turnover there.
Could be a chance to break here. I'm afraid that's where it ends for them. Saka.
At least, Kabana Teni. Chad.
Onto Rodrigo. Kylian Mbappe. Great chance here.
Mana orang kala bolokon ko tata.
That has gone out.
Banna.
He's got behind it.
Banna.
Dear me, they might not get away with that next time. A bit too eager there. Kick given. Great instinct there to cut it out.
Banna.
Might get caught on the break here.
Why juru bilang Tisakwano na.
Breakaway has now been broken.
Goal 9. Alot sa tapal.
Jude Bellingham. Mbappe. Beaten easily here.
Woo!
Again. It's become a question of just how many they'll get.
9 ako pa dito. 9 ako pa.
And that's full time, and it's victory for Real Madrid.
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? I was particularly impressed with their play going forward. Really lively, almost cutting through at will at times. The result was never much in doubt, if I'm honest.
Really keen. Ramo, what's up? Kitty friendly. Is what you call it again? Seasons. Is it seasons? Yeah, it's called seasons, right? Yeah, it's seasons. Yeah, it's seasons. Guys, we are live on Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube all at the same time. So I advise you to go watch the stream on YouTube or Twitch so that you can see the full page. It's clearer and nicer that side. So if you can just quickly run that side and check it out.
Could be a day of celebration with the prize of promotion on the line. This is what the whole season has been about. Can they take the next step? All the action. Hello and welcome to a day that needs a bit of cheering up, and what better way than with the game we're about to see. I'm Guy Mowbray with the former West Ham midfielder Stuart Robson alongside me. And what an important game this could be. The right result and promotion will be theirs. It's Bayern Munich and they take on Real Madrid.
Yeah, win will do it. It's a great position to be.
Now this
Naka. What's that? Are you sure these are the real people? Fast lane, not unpredictable height. I'm not a bot. I'm not a bot. Zabo lu, hai tu lu irang kabol. Zabo. Zabo lo. Setswana no naka.
Space now to get a crossover.
Kona makan ngona wa ira. Setswana. Ish, itu three ball mo.
Pressure pays. Now to switch up again.
Dojo dira ko trini, not on the real game. What do you think this is? Back.
Rodrigo. Onto Belly.
They got everything right there.
Diaz.
Who are you playing against? This is what you call seasons. So it's people online, just people, random people online.
But not quite the end product.
So it's random people online. Meet them back below.
That goes out for a throw.
Wish I had money for this game. This game is nice, bro.
And the throw not reaching its destination.
Tisakwa, no.
That's one. What's next?
Brilliant
save, superbly kept out.
Bola.
Comes.
Put it down on the floor.
Well, he never really looked like making
Put it down on the floor. Two.
Bayern Munich have the ball again.
Offside, nice one.
Jude Bellingham.
Junior. You can't see UG. Iran camera. Camera timil.
Delivered into the box.
Let me type pause. Camera timil. You lagi bangkang camera. Chora double O. Haribo you lagi bangkang camera 2 minutes.
head to it, and not the right part of the head, it seems. It's a bad miss. Luis Diaz. Oh, good ball over the top.
Went
too soon. It's offside.
Yo, guys, the camera is charging, so I have 5 minutes get like tuba. I have 5 minutes get like tuba. Let's keep on winning. You are leveling up. It's going to be hard. Alright, cool. Let's camera. We'll choose out the camera.
No danger from that one.
It's a ball. Oh!
He passed around, but nobody wants to keep it.
Well, both sides struggling to find rhythm here.
Nice one, goalie.
That's not a bad save at all.
Let's keep winning. Camera A, Bonsa, Rainbow.
Well, given the position he found himself in, he really should be testing the keeper.
Fantastic
Opportunity squandered. Mendy.
Menel. Musit. Tika. Menel. Hagar. Menel. Zama. Menel ka side. Musit. Come on! Ow. Tabana gidi zabidi like na bana kana gifting yana. Ow manna. Ele go timin. Arwai gate. Dar monsaga. Ta. Menel. Busa. Menel. Hata kon kabinel. Hata museta. Museta. Kamura. Ish. Tiki-taka. Oy. Romata. Takompan na matengka. Ish.
And he did almost everything right there. Well, there it is. Confirmation of Real Madrid's dominance in this game. They've created so many chances today.
It's in.
Bandit.
And they're not out of this game yet.
Bagana ke phosa. That is cool. Bagana ke phosa. That's cool.
2-1 as the game restarts.
Camera on again. Alright, cool. Menel.
Jude Bellingham.
Menel. Ish.
Feel the frustration after that. Possibly should have hit the target.
Tiki-taka. Ako yung kitsan na. Yo, wait. Yeah. Ito siya. Kasi ko pa nila Drogba today. Ay. Munele. Yo, Chad, ko pa nila Drogba today. I don't know if you know Drogba, but I saw him today. I didn't manage to take a picture, but at least I saw him. Yes. Used to be one of the reason why I support not give support America Chelsea. It's the reason why I support Chelsea. I want to talk about what happened man. Ha, waka. Munele. Yo.
Brilliant anticipation.
Utu. Offside.
There's the flag. Offside.
Tama siya pa maligtas sa kalawa. Pira naman. Ala kami nila. Papalunto.
Good positioning to win the ball back there.
Ow.
And he didn't get back onside quickly enough.
And I think everybody in the ground could see that was always going to be offside.
Manoko, ripay di Russia ni. Munele piyo pa. Hata ko na ray busa takwa. Hata ko na Munele mo fleki. Munele. Eish.
Lost it. The attack is over.
Ay over. Munele. Ow. Kutra. Eish. Sabuli. Yun di ba kami saningan ha? Offside. Jauh siyan na ka. Jauh siya. Kita boleh litin. Ay. Munele. Hata ko na Munele. Dito ko na ako. Hindi ko rugam ko kibuan na ba? Kanina man ko.
Can't go any further here. Offside.
Siya na wrong patrek. Munele. Waka. Isa man.
Read the pass well and cut it out.
Nanti tu lah kita.
Good. And it didn't miss by much.
Quality game na kasi yun. It's a bit blurry. Kita na isya. Mas kaya wala late. Yung kaya post is a goal. The ball is out.
Diaz.
Ito siya malit. Hindi fluctuate. I think I'm streaming at the same time. So I'm streaming to 3 different sites. I'm also playing online. And my girl is also watching Netflix. So there's too many usage. I think that's why. It's streaming again at the same time, yeah. So that's why. But it will just adjust itself as we play. So don't worry.
So the second half begins with Real Madrid looking to build on.
Bayern moving forward with purpose.
Missed by quite a distance.
Yo, let me see. Thank you for the follow, my guy. Guys, if you're watching this for the first time, do follow me so you don't miss out when we go live again. We're live on TikTok, Twitch, YouTube.
Now Bellingham.
Manele, Sarra. Manele. Ow, Naka.
And there's another one. Valuable breathing space for them now.
Olympic team Europe.
Well, it's a very simple finish in the end, but his movement was really good. He just
Olympic
found
team
some
Europe.
space in the box when it mattered most.
Setswana. Naka. Too predictable. Artama ying. Manele, Kaha. Tama. Manele. 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 Aha.
Great defending. He tackles well, but it's out for a throw.
Manele.
Rodrigo.
Ow. Ow.
Change in possession.
Well, no chance there. That was a good bit of defending.
You win.
For Bayern Munich now.
What?
Oh, it looked like he could have been
What
in
do you
there.
do again?
Brilliant work
Hawakai.
defensively.
Ha. Hawakai. Put it leg, chief. Put it leg.
Kane. That'll go.
Setswana bolo yun naka yun.
Block.
Manele.
Looks on here.
Ito
Options
ni
available.
Manele. 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 It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Setswana bolo yun naka yun. Manele. Manele.
What a save that was. This is brilliant football.
Tayo wala team.
Counter attack and a very good save at the end of it.
Delivered into the box.
Saan nakakadnak? Yo.
And nothing coming from their play in the end.
Win.
That's as precise as they come.
Setswana, chief.
And wins it.
Yeah, great bit of defending. Well, the fans are certainly
Aye.
going to say, just listen to
Manele.
them. They thought that was perfect.
Forward progress continues. Bellingham. And he's got two now. And he's playing a starring role here.
I celebrated too much because it's an easy one. Yo guys, the stream is fine again. Ref, you lost the connection to your opponent. We'll check the match report to see who won and who lost. Yeah, Tabana, you can't be doing this to me, bruh. Oh, banna. Oh, banna. I won, Ryan, I won. Oh, banna. Yo, chat, that's what it is. Chat. Betul di mana kaya kaya lagi. Yo. I won that match. It would be so cheating of FC if they say I lost. Yeah, I lost. I won. Yeah, I won that. Yeah, I won. Guys, if you're watching this for the first time, do follow me so you don't miss out when we go live. Your stream go TikTok. What's up? What is lagging?
It could be a day of celebration with a prize of promotion.
Yeah, I think ako pati bibigyan na kapila na guys. I'll be really di Netflix. Kaya kapta naman tayo college you tayo lahat sa full team family team. Eish.
All the action coming your way here on EA TV. Welcome to the Theatre of Dreams, Old Trafford. I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professionals you provide.
Yo guys, should I stop the YouTube stream so that later on I can stay with me for Twitch and TikTok? Like I say, Twitch. Hey, what team am I playing with? I have to drop one stream. Which one should I drop? Between TikTok and Twitch. Nail. Waiting. Why? It's easy.
Equally good save. We're off and running.
Yeah,
I have to drop YouTube.
by both players.
I'll never seem to get over the ball in truth.
Oh, I don't know much lovely time. So thank you, bro. Not TikTok. Yeah, I'm gonna end the TikTok one. Sini kali IT like that. You guys like you gotta wait for Twitch. Twitch. Why didn't we see Twitch?
Real Madrid come away with it.
Nail.
Vinicius Junior.
Ow, ouch.
Defense quick to snatch it back.
It's a net.
Magnificent save.
Twitch missed. Drop YouTube.
Excellent speed off the line and the stop. Brilliant stuff.
And the ball comes in.
Kena baru hatch nampak.
Might have been a slight
Twitch.
issue there.
Can someone go check how many people are watching on YouTube? So if I drop YouTube, I don't drop. I don't know.
And Burma.
Heal.
Takes the
Heal.
promotion out.
Oh, Mr. Never here, use your team. Mr. After here, use your team. What I want to use my team. This is my team. What I want to use another.
Kings react to that setback.
Setswana.
Here's Junior.
Blue.
He's in here.
I don't want to be on.
So we're all square.
What cost the chief?